In this class I am going to explain methods of filing. The last class we have seen that the objectives of filing. So methods of filing are divided into two categories: old methods and modern methods. Old model methods and modern new model methods. So one of the old method of filing is wire file. This is a view of wire file. This is a view of wire file. So this is one of the oldest method of filing. One of the oldest method of filing wire file. Okay, see the picture of this wire file. This is a wire file picture. This is one. This one is a wire file. This is also a wire file. So this is the oldest and easiest method. This is the oldest and easiest method. Uses a normal wire. One edge of wire is fixed in a round or rectangular wooden piece. This is the oldest and easiest method. Uses a normal wire. One edge of wire is fixed in a round or rectangular wooden piece. Second edge is sharp and slightly bent. So using second edge wire file is hung to a nail on the wall. Okay, so the letters are pressed through the sharp edge of wire file. Letters received first go to the bottom of file, and so open will be last remains on top. So when wire file is full to its capacity, letters are taken out in the same order and kept safely in a separate place. So this is a second method of filing, old methods, pigeonhole filing system. Okay. Generally this kind of filing nowadays we see in the post offices. Okay. So this is also one kind of pigeonhole filing. This is also one kind of pigeonhole filing system. Pigeonhole or docketing system. This method is also very old. Even today largely used in insurance companies, government offices and post offices. This is like an almara. In which some compartments like pigeonholes are provided. So the name is pigeonhole filing system. Okay, this is like an almara in which some compartments like pigeonholes are provided. So there are some 24 compartments in the almara. A label slip is affixed on each compartment. On each slip alphabets or names of the department section in office are written in sequence. Okay, a label slip is affixed on each compartment. On each slip alphabets or names of the department section in office are written in sequence. Example: budget, stores, personnel, marketing, etc. So pigeonhole or docketing system. Compartment size is inserted into each section, or it is a compartment bearing respective department section label slip. Okay, so the next, box file. This is the oldest method for keeping paper safe. Boxes made with wooden or cardboard 3 to 4 inches deep used to file papers. Okay. Method is simple and suitable for small business firms. So this is the method of box filing. These are the pictures of the box filing system. Simply the papers are inserted one after another in the box file methods. And next, metal holders and guard hooks. Papers are held together by metal holder pasted in a bound book in chronological order, mainly used to record minutes of meeting. So this is a view of a metal holder with guard books. Okay. These books are inserted into this almaras. So new methods of filing. Horizontal filing system. This system is used in large organization. And next, horizontal filing system views. These are the views of the horizontal filing system. Lever arc files. Vertical filing system. And second one is vertical filing system. These are views of the work. Generally we see this kind of filing in banks, old system in banking. Okay. Then visible card filing system. This kind of filing are called as visible card filing system. This is the method of visible card filing or indexing system. Microfilm filing system. Okay, so these are all the methods of filing systems. Okay.